trying to get cans and Leah. Getting feisty with her placement.
You can put your elbows on this if it helps out.
No, not really. I think lower is better.
Take it down. Either as close as they are, they might be here. Just take this one.
This is Leah shooting. I'm in the cans. Oh, we got it! I got it even on video.
Cool.
All right, eject the shell and shoot another one. Is that the one you were aiming for?
Yes.
Okay.
You didn't go all the way back, all the way. There you go. Now it's out in there. Woo! I saw it hit behind the big K one.
And right up top of it.
Yep.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just a little high.
It may have even gone through the top of the can with the weight in the bottom.
It's funny, I can see it on the camera splash. Oh, same behind it.
And to the left.
Try for the big one in the middle.
Cold?
Getting a little tightness in there.
Trigger finger. Got you hit it, but you didn't push it over. I even heard it.
That's weird. Why not?
You hit it on the very side of it and it just shifted over to the left a little bit. I got it. Got it again on the top, but it hasn't pushed over. I can. Got it that time.
I went even lower. Hit it, didn't it?
I was looking at you that time, not the can.
Look a little bit right.
Got it. You hit it that time. I saw it hit it.
Didn't go over though.
Nope. You're hitting the very top. Got it. Good.
I gotta go till I get them all, huh? Oh, that one's got a dog face on it.
Yep, hit the dog in the face. Come on, think of it as Jake.
You want me to say that one for you, John?
It's Jake.
Nah, take him out.
Oh.
Oh, you hit it. You hit it.
You didn't go over.
I heard it go.
He probably was.
Got it again.